hope your Friday is going well. So today I have 5 resources to share with you to use in your homeschool. And you're gonna wanna wait till the end because there's this new one I just found out about and you gotta see what it is.
Guess what? It's Friday. Happy Friday.
So I'm always looking for ways to make my homeschool better. And as always, if I find something that works for me, I want to share. So maybe it will work for you. But you know, each homeschool is different. So something that may work for me may not work for you, but pretty sure these 5 are definitely gonna work for you. So the first one I want to start with is YouTube/YouTube Kids. So it's like 6, but we're gonna say it's 5 because they are 2 different versions. Just go with me, okay? But YouTube and YouTube Kids, of course, you know there's a free version of YouTube. Pretty sure that's probably the one that everybody uses. I use it every single day to look for videos that I need. So I'm gonna share 3 of the channels that I do use. I know a lot of people have other channels that they use, and if you have some, share them with me. But I use Crash Course. I found a new channel last Friday when I was looking for videos to share with the girls about Veterans Day, and that was called Homeschool Pop. And another one that I found because this week we're doing the Native American Heritage Month, so we're looking into some of the different nations, and I found a channel called Extra Credits, and we learned about Hiawatha. I think I'm pronouncing him correctly. But yeah, so YouTube and YouTube Kids, they are phenomenal. They're free. You can put it on your TV, you can watch it on your phone, you can watch it on your laptop. I enjoy it. I put a lot of the videos into my slides because I create presentations, and I just hit play and it plays and it works well and it goes with my lesson. All right, number 2. I like to be on Pinterest. I look on Pinterest a lot for cooking, for baking, but I also look on there for memes and worksheets and looking for other homeschool moms. A lot of homeschool moms are on there and they share blogs. So you click their photo or their little name and it takes you to their blog and what they're saying. And then some of these ladies, they have where you can sign up for emails. And if you sign up for their emails, homeschool moms, if you sign up for their emails, they will sometimes send you links to get free worksheets. And I'm like, hey, this is a win-win. You just have to support their their page, or with the email is what I'm trying to say. But you can also find worksheets on there to get an idea. Sometimes I create worksheets, and so I get ideas from them like, oh, if I did this like this, or I could change that, just getting ideas. You don't take people's stuff, okay? You just get an idea of what somebody else has used. Also the memes, there are a lot of homeschool memes on there that are hilarious. If you know how some homeschoolers work, they have jokes on there that work very well. So that is Pinterest. That's number 2. Number 3 is one that I always talk about. I'm always talking about it. Say it before I say it. No. Teachers Pay Teachers Pay Teachers is one of my favorite ones. It is just not for public school teachers. It is for homeschool teachers, private school. Everybody can use this site. They have lots of free worksheets on there. They also have paid worksheets. The packages that they have are paid packages, and they're pretty affordable. Like, I've seen packages that are $25 and you get like a year worth of worksheets, or what you can do daily. It goes with math, science, spelling, vocabulary, reading comprehension, holidays, if you want to do Christmas. Thanksgiving is next week, so they're gonna have a lot of turkey stuff, a lot of what else do you do for Thanksgiving? Turkeys and food and Thanksgiving around the world. I don't know, y'all. You can go on Teachers Pay Teachers and find what you are looking for, either for free, and then you can pay like $1. And also what's really cool is leave a review for the people who are making these worksheets for you. Let them know how they're doing, because you get a little credit back for leaving a review, and then they get more exposure for letting the people know about how good their work is if you used it. So they've helped me a lot. I'm gonna go on there, I think tomorrow night, and print out some things for next week for turkeys, like maybe some multiplication. Turkeys, you fill in the turkey, and then you got to color it in. Simple stuff like that for the 3 days that we are going to be homeschooling. All right, number 4, Libby. I don't think enough people talk about Libby. I am in a book club, and they use Libby. It used to be one that was Libby, and then it was Overdrive, but now I'm just talking about Libby. But what Libby is, it is an app. You can sign up on your phone or your tablet, and you sign up by using your library card. And so it links your library card links you to your library, and you can check out books, audio books. There are children's books, lots and lots of children's books. I check them out a lot. Today we read, I think it was The Legend of the Bluebonnet by Tommy de Paola. And so of course I had to turn my phone around and show them the pictures, but it's there. Another one we did when we were doing pirates, it was Jack and Annie's Pirates Past Noon. We listened to the audio book, and that took, I think it was like 45 minutes, but we took 2 days to read it because we wanted to cut off and we didn't want to run too long. But yeah, you can find audio books, and if you like to listen to books as well, just on your own, Libby is it. You just sign up with your library card. And you also can keep the books for 2 weeks. It's like a regular checkout. Like you go to the library, you have 2 weeks to keep your books. Libby works the same way. You have 2 weeks. You can also place books on hold. It'll tell you what number you're in line. So Libby is a good resource to have. Now, you've probably been waiting for this last one for me to tell you about. This is a new one for me. Like everything else I've been using for probably 2+ years. Now this last one that I'm going to tell you about, I just began using it maybe 2 weeks ago, and my mind is blown. I used it this week in lessons, and it was amazing because it was, what had happened was I was looking for this documentary, and it said I had to pay for it. And if you know me, I'm trying to get it for free. I don't want to pay for anything that I have to watch, or we just not gonna watch it. So my phone says, hey, this app has it and it's free. All you need to do is do this. So this app that I'm talking about is called Canopy. It's Canopy. It's amazing. Here's how you sign up. You're gonna sign in with your email address and your library card number. That's all they want. You can sign up like that. And then you have, if you use the adult segment where you get the adult books, you have 10 credit plays, so you're in a month. So you're able to watch documentaries, you can watch movies, there are TV shows on there that you can watch, but you only have 10 credits in a month. But because we're here as homeschool parents or families, they have kids, unlimited. So I found this out the other day, and we watched Reading Rainbow. The books read, like there's, you know how they do on Reading Rainbow when they would narrate the books for you? Well, they have individual books, not Reading Rainbow, but they have individual books on there that narrate to you, and documentaries. So the documentary that we did watch was called In Whose Honor? And of course, this goes back to our Native American Heritage Unit. And this was talking about a lady, Charlene Teeters, who was fighting for Native American mascots to be taken away from sports teams because they were, misappropriating, they weren't doing right. And so they were talking about Chicago, Illinois, and how they wanted to keep the chief, but the chief had to go. So that was one of the documentaries that we watched on Canopy. Good app. And you can also, if you have a smart TV, I was able to pull it up on my TV, and that's how we watched it instead of watching it on my phone or on my laptop. So yeah, those are the 5 resources that will help you in your homeschool. YouTube Kids, Pinterest, Teachers Pay Teachers, Libby, and I'm thinking the best one so far is Canopy. So if you have any more resources that you would want to share with me so I can share with someone else, let me know down in the comments below. I enjoyed telling you about these resources. So as always, I pray y'all have a blessed day. I pray you have a blessed week. I pray you have a blessed weekend. I pray you have a blessed Thanksgiving if I don't talk to you before then. And I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye.